Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and I was scrolling through my Twitter account when I stumbled upon this post by Smith Parik. It says that it has been over 3 months and he has been trying to change the name of the company from X to Y, but nothing has been working. So, how do we solve that? This video is entirely about that. Now, before I actually dive in to tell you how the actual solution will work, let me explain why this happens. So there's this thing called Google name replacement logic, which simply says if you don't exactly tell Google about how you want your name to be perceived as, it will automatically fetch your domain name. For example, you can see right here that markettheexpert.tech is the domain name, right? So how do we fix that? There are three reasons or three solutions. First is meta, second is title, third is schema. So when I went to the website and I checked the page source and searched for schema, I could not find anything because there's no schema, I believe. Then when it comes to the title part of it, the title is set. When it comes to the meta part of it, in fact, let's do this. It's also set, but there's one small thing which is missing, which is called OG name or site name. Nothing is there. So I'll tell you what you have to do to solve it out is first, you'll have to put this code in your header, which tells Google exactly what your website name is. Original site name is Marketing Expert. Second, you'll have to add a schema, which is the website schema, wherein you're telling that this is the context, this is the type of schema website, this is the name of the website, and this is the URL. Now, this is just one part. You might also want to add an organization schema because this will really help you in, this will really expedite the entire process. Now, all of these are just something which will take some time. It could be a week, 2 weeks, or a month for you to see the result, but it will work undoubtedly. One thing that you can actually do to fasten the entire thing up is just go to Medium or Tumblr and play around with some anchor text. So, for example, um, what do you guys do? Turning big ideas into bigger results. Okay, so let's say you're writing a blog post on Tumblr or LinkedIn or anywhere from wherever you can get a backlink, and you've written an entire blog post. Just use Marketing Expert, the name that you want to be to see on Google, and use that as an anchor to get a backlink from there to your website. Now this is a signal for Google that this is what the actual anchor and the name is. So these are all the steps and things that you have to do to solve the entire thing out. And I'm assuming this will, once everything is done, do the reindexation. Basically, go to Search Console, submit your URL again, and just test live URL and request indexing. Once that is done, I'm assuming about 2 weeks or 3 weeks is the maximum time it will take for you to see the actual result on Google, and it will work fine. I hope this helped. Thank you so much.